My name is Ed Olivo, and this is my sticker story. I am one of the production leads here at StickerGiant. I oversee and manage shipping, receiving, purchasing, inventory control, and quality control, so a little bit of everything. Yeah, so my background is I was transferred to Hong Kong back in the early 90s by a local company here to open up a purchasing office over there. So I was over there for 23 years, working with small, medium-sized, and large-sized companies like Ferrari, Universal Studios, Disneyland, and really learned a lot about manufacturing and production methodologies over there. I was raised here in Colorado. Single father to just an amazing teenage daughter. She's like my world. But yeah, I spend a lot of time, most of my free time is spent with her. But aside from that, I'm a writer. I like writing. I enjoy it a lot. I've got a couple of works published, a couple of solo projects, and I've got one coming out later this year, hopefully. So I definitely see that as something I'll be doing more of in my future. So I've been at StickerGiant now for just over a year. Definitely my favorite thing about StickerGiant is the camaraderie. The people here are just amazing to work with. You know, our company, I'd like to believe that we're technologically driven, but we're so people-hearted here, and that's really what I love the most about this company, is everybody's just got each other's backs. I love gaming. I mean, PS4 is when I'm not with my daughter or not in front of a computer writing, I'm in front of a console playing games. I love gaming. I love playing music. I used to play guitar a lot. I haven't played as much, but definitely love music. And I don't know, just the simple, basic comforts of life, man. That's what I'm into.